Okay, Unit 21, AO3, and we're creating the navigation bar that we sketched in AO2. And as you can see, what I just did was I set the width of my navigation bar and the height of my navigation bar, and these can be adjusted a bit later. I'll show you how. And to start off with, I'm just going to write the text that I want in my navigation bar. Oops, I should start with home. And these will be the links that go across the top of the website for users to click on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch the text box as wide as possible because I'm going to make room. I want to add graphics to my navigation bar. So I've searched Google and I found icons that I want to use in my navigation bar. I'm just going to paste them in and I'm going to resize them. You don't have to take them from Google if you want. You can just draw the icons yourself. You don't have to have icons at all. And once I've readjusted the size, I'm going to use the magic wand tool to take away the background color. So I'll just have the house and not the background color. So as you can see here, when you click on the magic wand and you click on the background color, it highlights it. Click on the delete button and it'll delete the background color. Now once I've adjusted the size of it, I'm going to click on the text box again and I'm going to move my text next to the icon, and then I'm going to create space next to the next menu item, and then grab the image that I found for that. So for the games page, I've got a games icon and I just paste that into my work and do the same thing. Just readjust the size, and again I use the magic wand to get rid of the background color of the image. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is just repeat the process several times. So I'm going to speed the video up, and literally I'm just repeating the process several times. Now, when we get to this bit, you can see that, once I've pasted this in, you can see that the canvas is too small, and the line for contact us stretches out onto the next line. So I've clicked on modifying canvas size, and I've stretched the canvas out a bit more. So if it was 600 pixels, I've stretched it to 650, and now I'm going to stretch my text box a bit more, and I'm going to move my text along a bit more, and this way it will all fit onto one line. There we are. Now in my house style, before we do that, now what I'm doing is I'm selecting the marquee tool, and with the marquee tool I'm selecting the area that I want to keep in my navigation bar, because I think that's a bit too big. So I've highlighted the area that I wanted, I right clicked, and then I clicked on crop document. Now that I've done that, I'm using the rectangle tool, and I'm putting a rectangle over my navigation bar. I'm going to color it the color I want, the color I specified on my sketch page, and then I'm going to put it behind my icons by moving over to the layers and moving it underneath all the other layers. that's our navigation bar complete. You must save it. Don't forget to save it in the correct folder. So Unit 21, this is AO3. Save it as your navigation bar.